I was messing about in the kitchen the other night and I came up with this fantastic new recipe, my coconut curry meatballs. This dish is incredibly delicious. You get this super rich coconut curry sauce, really tender meatballs, big chunks of potatoes, some carrots for sweetness. This comes together super quick. Quick jerk complaining, we're gonna get this on the table quickly. Let's cook. So no need for us to chop all of this together. You just need to dice 1 onion, 1 big knob of ginger, and about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. You want all of this ready before you start cooking because as soon as the meatballs are brown, you can just drop the aromatics right into the pan. Yeah, so peel your carrots and potatoes. And when it comes time for chopping, chop them to a size just a little smaller than the meatball. Set them aside in a tub of water until you're ready to add them to the sauce. Okay, for stock, I'm gonna use about 1 liter of beef stock and 1 liter of this pork and chicken stock that I have. You can use whatever stock you want. Okay, so let's make the meatballs. So we want about 2 pounds of beef and pork mixture. Okay, we want 1 egg per pound of meat. A couple big pinches of salt. Whole bunch of breadcrumbs. I use panko breadcrumbs. Use whatever you've got. I didn't have as much as I normally use, so I'm just gonna add some old bread that I've soaked in a bit of cream. This is an optional step. You don't have to do this. You do, however, just wanna add a couple tablespoons of cream. And one of the most important ingredients, you need some curry powder. I'm gonna use my own Madras curry powder, which is available in my Shopify store. Probably a link on your screen at the moment, but whatever curry you've got. So 1 tablespoon should do it. All right, man, mix it up. And we're gonna make our meatballs. So a little bigger than a golf ball is fine. Don't worry about crowding the pan. We're not cooking them all the way through here. We just want some color. Okay, now all of our hard work from before pays off. We just dump in all of our aromatics. Just sort of gently shake them around, let them get down in there. About halfway through this process, we add curry to what will be our sauce. 3 tablespoons of curry. You're looking good. Time to just sort of gently lay in all of our potatoes and our carrots. Now we just add our stock. We can just nudge all these little carrots and potatoes around. Okay, this is the basis of our sauce. Now we just gotta add a few more flavors. A couple tablespoons of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Optional, but I always like it. A couple tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. A couple more tablespoons of cream. And about 2 tablespoons of butter. Again, the butter can be optional. And the last thing that we're gonna put in is this coconut milk. We'll put it in right at the end about when there's like 15 minutes left to go. And we're gonna thicken the sauce with a quick cornstarch slurry. 2 tablespoons, a little bit of water, whisk it together, pour it in the sauce and let it heat up. This is obviously my favorite part of all of the videos I make. This is my portion control problem of the day, is this stuff. One thing I also forgot to put in was some fresh parsley stems. Okay, time for a little taste. First, let's just check the sauce. Let it stick to the back of the spoon, just like that. You check your salt levels. You might want to add a little more soy sauce, some more fish sauce, some MSG. This, hate to inform you guys, but this is perfect. And there we go. See? Nothing to it. I personally think the Japanese rice just makes this. But again, you can use whatever rice you want. Thai jasmine, also another good one. Look at these meatballs. Potatoes are nice and soft. That's it. You don't want to watch me eat. Go make it yourself.